Tired of your project management tools feeling like they're speaking different languages? Today, we're diving into the seemingly impossible and connecting to powerhouses, Basecamp and Clickup, to unlock a streamlined workflow you never thought possible. While there isn't a direct, out-of-the-box integration, we can leverage third-party tools like Zapier or Makem to bridge the gap. First, head over to Zapier.com or Makem and create an account. If you don't already have one, these platforms act as the translator between different applications. Click the Create Zap button. We're going to build a trigger and an action. The trigger is what starts the automation, and the action is what happens as a result. In the Choose at and Event section for the trigger, search for and select Basecamp. Now, you need to choose a trigger event. Let's say you want a new project in Basecamp. To automatically create a corresponding space in Clickup, select New Project, click Continue. Zapier will ask you to connect your Basecamp account. Follow the on-screen instructions to grant Zapier access. This usually involves logging into your Basecamp account and authorizing the connection. Next, it's time to set up the action. In the Choose at and Event section, search for and select Clickup. Select the action event. Since we're creating a space for new Basecamp projects, choose Create Space, click Continue. Just like with Basecamp, you'll need to connect your Clickup account to Zapier. Follow the prompts to authorize the connection. Now, the fun part, you get to customize how the new Clickup space will be created. In the Customize Space section, you'll see fields like space name. Click in this field, and Zapier will show you data available from your Basecamp trigger, like the Basecamp project name. Map the Basecamp project name to the Clickup space name field. This tells Zapier to use the name of the Basecamp project as the name of the new Clickup space. Once you've mapped all the necessary fields, click Test and continue to test your Zap. Zapier will send the test project from Basecamp to Clickup. If the test is successful, congratulations! You've just integrated Basecamp and Clickup. Now, turn on your Zap, and anytime you create a new project in Basecamp, a corresponding space will automatically be created in Clickup. This same process can be used for other automations too. You've now unlocked the potential to integrate Basecamp and Clickup, allowing you to streamline workflows and leverage the strengths of both platforms. Don't forget to explore other integrations to further optimize your project management experience.